Chakra Anusandhana. Assume Siddhasana or Padmasana sitting posture. Keep your eyes closed throughout this practice. Breathe normally. In this practice, there is no connection between the breath and your consciousness. The idea is basically to breathe normally. Bring your awareness to Mooladhara Chakra. Move your consciousness slowly in the ascending form at the frontal passage of Arohan from Mooladhara to the frontal point of Swadhisthana at the pubic bone, Manipura at the navel, Anahata at the chest center, Vishuddhi at the throat and across to Bindu at the top back of the head. As you travel upward, mentally repeat Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu as you pass through these centers. Then let your awareness slip down the spinal Avarohan passage from Bindu to Mooladhara, mentally repeating Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara as you pass through these centers. From Mooladhara, immediately start ascending in the frontal passage as before, mentally reciting the chakra names as you ascend, starting with Swadhisthana. Continue this rotation through the chakras in a constant flow of rounds. Do not make a serious tense effort to locate the chakras as you pass through them. Merely glance at them as you go by. It is like viewing a scenery from a fast-moving train. It is like a serpent traveling in an ellipse within your body. Practice 9 rounds. Chakra Anusandhana. Now I will demonstrate how this is required to be done. You can sit in Siddhasana, Siddha Yoniasana or Padmasana. First, just observe how this is required to be done. After closing the eyes, bring your awareness to Mooladhara Chakra. Move your consciousness slowly in the ascending form at the frontal passage of Arohan. From Mooladhara to the frontal point of Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi and across to Bindu. Now let your awareness slip down the spinal Avarohan passage from Bindu to Mooladhara, mentally repeating their names. From Bindu to Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. So now you will be doing it. I will keep repeating the names of the chakras, though you should also say it mentally. Close your eyes, bring your awareness to Mooladhara Chakra and move from the frontal passage. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu. Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu. Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu. Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Now you can open your eyes. So this is how you are required to do.